Today I'm going to show you a fun way to check your LED Christmas lights with one of these little desktop Tesla coils. Just make sure to take caution and don't electrocute yourself. I'm going to turn off the lights. The coil is on. You simply pass your Christmas lights near. Yep, we got one that's bad already. Took the bulb out, test it. Yep, sure enough, that one's a bad one. You're just slowly passing by. Good, good. Seems like these Christmas lights, the green ones, must have been a bad run. Almost every green one and a handful of the blue ones are bad. See, it's a real fast and easy way to test them. Yep, another green one bad. You have to get it near the induction, and here comes on the LEDs. Oh, another bad green one. Alright. That's alright. Yellow. Oh, another bad green one. Anyway, that's a quick and fun and fast way to test your Christmas lights, your LED lights. See, you just pass them near. And they all light up, and then you just throw the bad ones away.